What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Hope you're having a great day. So this video is for all the guys and girls that are looking for a vehicle, a car, something that's trustworthy and is going to last you a few years, but also affordable. Okay, because I mean, what's the point of spending $20,000-$30,000 on a brand new car, and as soon as you drive it off the lot, it's going to depreciate? Okay, especially when you're young and you're on the come up, you're trying to find your way. You just need a reliable set of wheels. So I've worked in the car industry for a long time, and I have friends that are master mechanics. I mean, top tier. They know everything. They know everything about every brand. They've seen hundreds of, if not thousands of different cars coming in and out of the shop, and they've got underneath the hood, and they've told me, look, there's a certain kind of car or certain, different brands that are really reliable, trustworthy, and affordable. So two of those brands that you should be on the lookout for are Toyota and Honda. Okay, and if you only have, say, $2-3 grand, $5 grand, well, you're in a good position, because what you can do is, instead of going to a dealership and putting a bunch of money down on a new car or even leasing a car, what you can do is start to go on, say, Craigslist, or just people around you, these local, the locals that are having a car for sale. What you want to look for, Toyota or Honda. I'm telling you, these cars are going to last you forever. I've seen Toyotas and Hondas with like 300,000 miles on it, all right? One of the cars that I drove, one of my favorite cars, and I was kind of an idiot to get rid of it, was a Honda Civic. It was a 2007 Honda Civic, just a base model. That thing was so good. I hardly had to do any work on it. So if you can find a Honda or a Toyota, I highly recommend that you look into it. The thing you want to be aware of and check for is that there's no major problems, okay? So look at the Carfax, look at the history, and take it to a mechanic, maybe someone you trust, and just say, hey, is there any major problems on this car? Don't be afraid to spend a few grand on a car that has over 100,000 miles. If it's a Toyota or Honda, I mean, it's likely that thing can go to 200, 250, 300,000 miles if you just keep the maintenance up on it, get the oil change. So if you're in the need for a car, I highly recommend that you look for something. Maybe you're in school and you just need a driver to get back and forth or just to work. This is a good car. You don't need to put a bunch of money out just for a really nice car. Like in my previous video, I said that was one of my worst investments, being in my 20s, was to put a bunch of money down on a car that wasn't trustworthy, and then I had to dump a bunch of money into fixing it up, and it was just a bunch of chaos. It's not cool. All right, a couple cars I recommend. Honda Civic, very good, and you can go back. You can go to earlier 2000s. The Honda Fit, 2008 range, you can find these for a couple grand. The Honda Fit, it's small. It's maybe not the most stylish, but the thing's a beast. It's gonna go forever. It's kind of quick. It's not gonna break down on you. Honda Fit's a great car if you can find one of those. The Honda Accords are good. What does Honda make? The Honda, I think it's CR-V. Okay, another great car. Toyota Camrys. I've seen a lot of those on the road. Like old Toyota Camrys, go forever. Toyota's a great brand. Toyota, I think it's the RAV4, another great car. Okay, so Toyota Tundra, even if you need a truck, my friend has one. It's a tank. It goes forever. All right, so Honda, Toyota, really good brands. For you guys that have experience with cars that have served you really well, put them down below for all the young guys and girls to check out. And yeah, man, it's so good to, once you have that base covered, you don't got to worry. You can just carry on with your day. You don't got to worry about your car breaking down. It's like the worst feeling when you spend money on a car and then you drive it away and it just breaking down on you. All right, so look for those two. Look down in the comments, and there's going to be some people recommending other good brands. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.